morning, afternoon, forever you're watching. Welcome back once again to the Making Maths Class channel, solely dedicated to demystifying mathematics, making complex problems look easy. Come along, what do we have today? Very interesting question. Since in the figure below, PQ is parallel to RS. Now they are parallel lines that can never meet. This is PQ, is parallel to this. That means if I continue to draw them, the two of them can never meet. Those are parallel lines. Angle QPS, that's this point. The angle is always the one in the center. So QP, so the point, the angle at P, that's what we are talking about. I can also call it SPQ. So far, P is at the center of what I'm naming when I'm naming the angle. So QPS is 72 degrees and angle RST. That's why I can also call it TSR. Now, RST is 55. Find the values of A, B, and C. Now, there's something we need to know. This you are saying is like a Z. And when you have a Z, an alternate angle is formed. Now, so therefore, this angle here, for a Z angle, whatever is here is equals to what is here. Alternate angles are equal. So it follows that angle QPS, this angle here, is the same thing as what I have here. It's the same thing as angle PSR. Same thing as angle PSR, which is equals to 72 degrees. Look at it here. This is Z. What is here is the same as what is here. So the angle at C here, which is angle PSR, C is equals to 72 degrees. Why? Alternate angle. Let me put it there. Alternate angles. They are alternate. Now, look at another thing I'm saying here. PQS. Angle PQS. That means this angle here, this A, is the same thing as angle RST. Why? Because they are corresponding angles. It's the same thing as angle RST, which is equals to 55 degrees. Corresponding angles. Corresponding angles. And corresponding angles are also equal. So I've gotten that this point is 55 degrees. Now, that's our A is 55 degrees. Now, for us to find B, this angle on a straight line. So B plus C plus 55 degrees is equals to 180 degrees. Sum of angles on a straight line. Straight line. They sum up to 180 degrees. Now, so therefore our B plus, what's our C? Our C is 72 degrees plus 55 degrees is equals to 180 degrees. Or we could have as well used this sum of angle in a triangle. So 180, we still get the same answer. So B plus, this is 127 is equals to 180 degrees. So our B is equals to 180 degree minus 127. This 7, this 3, this 5, that's 53. So therefore our A is equals to 55 degrees, B is equals to 53 degrees, and C is equals to 72 degrees. All right, very simple. I hope you follow through the workings. If you enjoyed the class and the explanation, why not give us a like, give us a share, tell your friends about the Making Maths Class, a channel solely dedicated to demystifying mathematics, making complex problems look easy. If there's any aspect of mathematics you are struggling with, put in the comment section and I'll be there to attend to you. If you're here to subscribe, please kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on wonderful content on the channel. Till we meet again in the next Making Maths Class. Keep practicing. Remember, mathematics is fun. See you at the top. Shalom.